Let's come to here. What we discussed last class. Going to
Security
security, how to
users.
create users. Yeah.
Yes,
Security, how
yes.
to create users. What happens? Server. IF config. IF config. Find the IP address. That is local host 170. So this one only. Okay. Now, so last class, if you go to manage Jenkins, if you go to manage Jenkins, there is some basic. So this is the system configuration, configure global settings and path. And if you want to tools section, plugin section, and this is the credential users and the credential providers and all. Now, so now this is my job. Now once job is triggered, it is generating the artifact file. If you go here, if you click on here, it is generating the artifact file. That is nothing but var file. See here, here it is generating var file, right? Once you give install a package. So now this is the variable lib Jenkins workspace. This is the default workspace. See here, variable lib workspace under var file is generated. So it is generated, but how to check it is working or not? Correct, right? Now, as of now, we are implementing MS Paint window. Now, if you go here, where is this? This is the now this is the environment we are using. So this is the development environment. Now this is the just assume here. This is our Maven web application. This is the web application. Our project name application. And here, which branch we are using? We are using
Dev.
dev branch. Branch is dev branch. If any changes push to my dev branch, already we configure some police amanda, and with the help of we need to trigger the build. If you want to, we can trigger the build. We configure police right? So this is the local. Now this is the local repository. Now this is the central. Now using here, we configure Jenkins server. Correct? So here
Yes.
we configure Jenkins server. So this is the Jenkins server. Jenkins is just like one tool. This is the Jenkins server. So here what we integrated? We integrated repository and we integrated Maven. Correct as of now.
Mm. Yes.
So with the help of it is generating the build. So if we click on build, it is generating T uh, T factor file. That is nothing but it is generating jar, that is jar file or var file. So here it is generating one var file, one file. What is that file? Maven hyphen web hyphen application dot var file. Correct. So it is
Yes.
generating the var file. Now how to check whether this is working or not? This is the main, right? Real time. So developer they push the code, they push code changes to send. This is the repository. This is the repository. This is the repository. This is the repository. So once they push changes to central repository and based on PolSM, if you want to, we can configure PolSM also. You know what is PolSM and how it will work. Now automatically Jenkins will trigger the build and with the help of it is generating the artifact file. Now it is available where? This is available in my Jenkins server, correct? Where is that path? That
Yes.
is a variable slash, this is the default slash lib Jenkins under slash workspace. This is the path. So once build is done and all jobs are residing under this path. Now I want to test it whether this war file is working or not. They developed the code. How how we know whether this is working or not? We need to deploy one server, right? Correct.
Yes.
So now if you come to here, there is many servers available. We are using as a Java people, they are using many servers in market. So they are using many servers. Now just assume this is a QA environment. Whatever you want, this is assume this is a just a test environment. This is the test env. So this is also one server env. Okay. So here this is the one environment. I want to deploy our artifact files. So Java people they are using many servers. So mostly we are using Tomcat server. Which one? Tomcat server or WebLogic server or JBoss server or Jetty server. There are many servers we can use it. Many servers we can use based on their requirement. Okay. Now, mostly we are using a Tomcat server. This is one server. Now I'm going to configure here. I'm going to configure Tomcat server. Tomcat server. So if I deploy my artifact file in Tomcat server, now end user can access our application. So now they can access and they can check. This is the tester, right? So they want to test our application. So they want to test our application. This is the just assume tester. They want to access application. Okay. So how to deploy it? As of now, this is how to configure Jenkins server, how to configure repository in server, how to configure Maven and all, and with the help of we are generating the artifact file. But I want to check whether this application is working or not, how to check it. So now, if you go to Google, these are the Java people. For example, .NET people, they are using, for example, if they are using .NET, mostly we are using IAS server. IAS server. This is the IAS server, only one server, .NET people. This is a Microsoft product. Mostly .NET people, they are using which server? IIS server.
I.
Okay. But Java people, they are using many servers. Java people, they are using many servers. Tomcat server, Webless server, JBoss, Jetty, like this Nginx server. So there is many servers available. These all are the open source. Okay. Directly we can. But this is the Microsoft product also. It will support only IIS only. It will support only IIS server. Now, so first, how to install, how to set up Tomcat server. Now I want to deploy this one here in this server test environment. I want to access. I want to check whether this application is running or not. So what is as a DevOps engineer? What is our duty? We want to deploy the this environment, testing environment. The tester want to test our application. This is application. Application is generated or file. We want to deploy here. Then only they can access our application. Correct?
Yes.
Now, so if you go to Google, this is only very simple only. If you go to Google, download, down, download, download, download also Tomcat server. Tomcat also, if you type, this is the official website. See here, Apache dot so tomcat.apache.org. So this is the official website. So if you click on here, so see here, there is a download option. There is many versions available. So whatever you want, we can. Latest version is 11. And if you want to, we can download 10. If you want to, we can download 9, 8, sorry, 8, 9, 7 like that. But these all are deprecated, 7, 8 and all. Now see here available 9, 10, 11. So whatever you want, we can download it. So just click on this. Just click on this. Just click on this server. So if you click on this, So here, see here, this is a binary distribution. See, there is zip file. Do you want to zip file? Yes, we can download zip file. And this is the 32-bit Windows zip file. This is the 64-bit Windows zip file. If you want to exe file, we need to select this one. Clear? If you want to exe file, we need to select this one. This is the
Yes.
installation file. This is the installation file. This is the installation file. Got it?
Yes.
Clear, Monica? So this is official
Yeah.
website.
Yes.
Go to here and we can download anyone. Now I am clicking 32-bit, 64-bit Windows service installer. I need exe file. Click on that. So once that is done, now see here, it is downloaded. See here, this is downloaded Apache Tomcat exe file. This is the execution file. We need to install it. Okay. Now here one more. One more. So what is the Jenkins server port number?
8080.
8080. But if you come to here, Tomcat also default port
Seven.
number 8080.
8080.
So this is Jenkins server default port number 8080. Tomcat server default port number also 8080. But real time, all are running same port number only. But this is Jenkins server is running different mission. Tomcat server is running different environment. Correct? So
Yes.
there is no port conflict. If both are running conflict, if both are running same mission, what it will happen? Conflict, right?
Yes, sir.
If both are running same mission, so only one server should work. We cannot access other server. So what we need to do? We need to change the port number. But currently I am going
Yes.
to set up both in same mission. And so Jenkins server I am using 8080. Jenkins server I am using 8080. Tomcat server I am using some change. Tomcat server I am using, for example, 9090. So is there any conflict? No.
No, sir.
It is running 8080 Tomcat port number, but default port number is 8080. But I am using both in same mission, right? So that is the reason I am changing this port number. I am changing this port number. Okay. Once Tomcat server is ready, so now it is running. Now first check whether that service is running or not. How to check services? Windows services.ms.
Services
Go to
.ms.
here. Go to here. Select this one. Go to here. First check whether already Tomcat is running. Jenkins server, it is running. So Jenkins server, it is running. Same way, just check Apache Tomcat server. Type Apache. Apache Tomcat Apache
Yes, sir.
available, right?
50.
Apache Tomcat
Mm.
server is running. So Apache Tomcat server is running. So if you want to, you can. So now see here, this is the Apache Tomcat server. Already it is available. And so if you don't want, we can remove. First I will remove. How it will work, we can. The installation is very simple only. Click next, next, next. See here how it will work. Anyway, it is running. I don't want to install. First go to download. Just click on this. Now installation is very simple. Click and double click. It is asking like this. See here. Welcome to Apache Tomcat. Click next. Click agree and click next. Now see here. What is the default port number? Default port number
8080.
8080. Now here we need to change the port number. That's it. Remaining all same only. Remaining all are same only. Now got it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
let's
sir.
change it. Already I changed it. It is running. So I don't want again install, reinstall, uninstall and all. Just I'm using existing only. Only one thing we need to do. Only 8080. Just change it to 9090 because all are in same mission. All are in same mission. Okay, that's it. Now, yes, sir. Now check it. Go to here. Now so once that is installation done, now check it whether that Tomcat server is running or not. Just come and check it here. So if it is a running state, suppose if it is not running state, just we need to click the start. Just we need to click the start. This is the one service. Whenever if we need, we can stop it, we can restart it, or if we want to, we can start the service. That's it. Now anyway, it is running. How to access this?
Sir, for exe files, we don't need to install, right?
Which one?
For exe files, don't we need to install?
Exe file only.
It
We
will
need to
automatically. Yeah.
automatically it will install. Click on next. Already download అయిందా మనకి
Okay.
just double click on it. This is the exe file. Next.
అంటే మనం ఇన్‌స్టాల్ చేయకుండానే అది సర్వర్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది గదా!
నా దీంట్లో ఆల్రెడీ చేస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే.
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 ఓకే. సో, ఆల్రెడీ చేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ అన్‌ఇన్‌స్టాల్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇన్‌స్టాల్ చేయాలి. సో, దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ నేనేం చేస్తాను జస్ట్ చూపిస్తున్నా ఎలా చేయాలని. సో,
యాహ్! ఓకే.
ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ మై మిషన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రన్నింగ్. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ అగైన్ ఇన్‌స్టాల్ రైట్. జస్ట్ మీరేం చేయాలి మీ మిషన్‌లో జస్ట్ డౌన్‌లోడ్ చేసి జస్ట్ డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.
ఇన్‌స్టాల్.
చేసి
యాహ్!
నెక్స్ట్ కొట్టండి. నెక్స్ట్, నెక్స్ట్,
యెస్ సార్.
నెక్స్ట్. హియర్ జస్ట్ చేంజ్ ద పోర్ట్ నంబర్. ఎందుకంటే బోత్ ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ సేమ్ మిషన్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్. Already my Jenkins
యెస్
server
సార్.
is running 8080. Now I am changing. We need to give 9090. Okay. And
యెస్ సార్.
username set it
హ్మ్.
అమ్మా. ఇక్కడ సెట్ చేసుకోవాలి మీరు. Admin,
యాహ్!
admin, whatever you want. But real time లో mostly admin యూస్ చేస్తాం. Give set it. Now click next. That's it. Next finish.
యాహ్!
Once the installation is done, నా మిషన్ నాకు రన్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి నేను దాన్ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయలేదు.
ఓకే.
సో మీరేం
యెస్.
చేయాలి? Go to go to services.msc. Just check it whether Tomcat server is running or not. I already configure చేస్తున్నా కాబట్టి రన్ అవుతా ఉంది. See here Apache Tomcat. Same way Jenkins also running. Jenkins is running 8080 port number. My Tomcat server is running 9090 port number. Okay, no conflict. Now, so how to access my Jenkins server? So same localhost 8080. This is my Jenkins server. What is the username? Admin. What is the password? Admin. Same. See here. So now this is the DevOps Maven application, right? Now click on this build now. Whether it is running or not, just I'm checking. Build will success or fail. Once my build is succeeded, one scanning the project form.xml file, it is generating war file. First, it is connected to central repository. It is downloading the necessary, that is jars and all. Okay. This is once this is done. Now, what is our target? We want to deploy this war file into which server? Tomcat server. Now, how to configure? This is the next step. Now, if you go to here, if you go to job, go to configuration section, go to configuration section, and go down. See here, here Maven is configured. Next, Maven configure clean package repository is configured. Now I need to deploy this server. So how to deploy? If you want to configure automatically, there is one step we need to do. Right now I am going to deploy manually. Okay. Now I am going to do automation. Okay, Monica. So now server is ready. So how to check my server is ready? Localhost. What is the port number? 9090. So this is the see here Apache Tomcat. So suppose if we are using 10, it is showing version, and 11 and 9 or 8. Okay. This is the Apache Tomcat 9. Now how to log in? Already I given username password, right? admin, and port number 800. There is manager app, right? Click on this. Now it is asking username password. Now it is asking username password. What is the username? Admin I given. Same. Whatever username you given, you need to give here. Username password. Click on this. See here. Now, now, so this is the default. Once you given username password, now come to this page. This is the this is the login page. Once you log into the Tomcat server, see here application and version, deploy, display name, whether it is running or not, sessions and commands. Now this is the default. So right now I don't have anything. So this is the slash root folder and welcome to Tomcat page. And this is the documents. If you want to check Tomcat document and I'll click on this. And there is a manager and the Tomcat manager application is running. So now this is the default. So now I want to upload, I want to deploy my application in this Tomcat server. How to deploy? So as of now, I didn't any automation. In automation, in configure చేయలేదు. Manually, I'm going to copy this war file and paste into this Tomcat server. That's it.
Yes.
Right now, I'm doing manual process. Okay. See here,
Yeah.
where is my war file? So if you go to here, this is my war file path. Where is this? Go to DevOps Maven, go to build number, go to build number. Where is the workspace? This is my path, correct? Copy this path. Linux లో path different గా ఉంటుంది. That's it. I will show you how
So,
it will work. Now I am copying Windows. So this is simple, right? Go to this path, go to this path, and where is this target? See here, today date 25, right? Where is this war file reside? If you want, we can check it here. మీ war file ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? Go down. If you go down, your war file. See here,
targets.
target under maven application.var. This is my path. So this is my path. This is my path. Target under target. This is my var file. Got it? Now
Yes.
this is my path. By default, so your var file reside here only. Now my Tomcat server is ready. Now if you want to, we can try parallel also. Now as of now, I didn't configure any automation processor. I want to deploy. I want to deploy. So how to deploy? There is two type of deployment: hard deployment, soft deployment. Hard, hard means this is mostly we are using a hard deployment. Manually we are going to deploy it. Okay. So you see here. So these are the default. So now if you go down, there is a one path var file to deploy. There is one option, right?
Yes, sir.
Var file to deploy. See, select var file to upload. So my application is not yet running here. Do you have our application here? మన అప్లికేషన్ కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes.
No. Maven web application, that is my war file. I want to see. This is already default Tomcat people provided. If you want to, we can click on here. It will come Tomcat related some pages and all. See here, documents. See, this is testing purpose. Already they deployed. Now we want to deploy our application. Okay. So see here, come to here, war file to deploy. Select war file. Where is our war file? So here, go to this path, paste it. This is the path, right? Select our war file. Okay. Open. Now see here. Now I selected war file. Now how to deploy? There is the option deploy. Okay. Here, click on deploy. Now see here. If I click deploy, now my war file deployed to into my Tomcat server. Now we can see. See here. Earlier we can see only three. Now we can see one
Yes.
more application. Maven web application. Now version number. What is the display name? It will come Maven web application only. Running status. True or false? True. It is running. There is no session. Now these are the default option. Now click on your application name. See here. Your application is working or not?
Yes, sir. Working.
Up to this our duty. So as a DevOps engineer, what is our duty? We need to deploy our application to Tomcat server. Now, if we give this link to testers, they will test this remaining part. See, if I give this, they can access our application. Remaining part and all they will take care. You don't worry. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, as of now, I deployed manually. Got it? So now if you go to here, once you installed, see here, 1 second, where is the Tomcat? This is our right. I selected this file, I deployed it. Now my application is running. If we give this link to testers, they will test the application. Got it? బట్ రియల్ టైమ్‌లో
Yes,
మనకేముంటుంది ఇక్కడ డొమైన్ నేమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మనం లోకల్ హోస్ట్ చేసేస్తాం. ఇన్‌స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ లోకల్ హోస్ట్, రియల్ టైమ్ వి ఆర్ యూజింగ్ డొమైన్ నేమ్. We will see what is the domain name in AWS and all. We can understand that. Now this is our application name. Clear? Now,
yes, sir.
doubt. So real time, we have multiple projects, right? Multiple jobs. ప్రతి జాబ్ నేను మాన్యువల్‌గా ఇక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇక్కడ డిప్లాయ్ చేయడం ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్? నో, రైట్?
No, sir.
In real time, there is in Jenkins server, we configure multiple projects. Every project, we don't know when the build is triggered. We don't know when they will be they will push the changes. అంటే వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు పుష్ చేస్తారో మనకు తెలియదు. పుష్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్‌గా విత్ ద పోల్ ఎస్ఎం జెంకిన్స్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ద బిల్డ్. వన్స్ బిల్డ్ ఈస్ సక్సీడెడ్, ఇట్ విల్ జనరేట్ ద ఆర్టిఫాక్ట్ ఫైల్. కరెక్ట్? వన్స్ బిల్డ్ సక్సెస్
Sir.
అయితే మనకేమొస్తుంది? ఆర్టిఫాక్ట్ ఫైల్ జనరేట్ అయింది. నౌ we want to deploy this artifact file automatically into Tomcat server. As of now, I did manual process. ఇదేం ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తే నేను మాన్యువల్. బట్
And
రియల్ టైమ్‌లో మన మాన్యువల్ అనేది 99% మనం టచ్ చేయం. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ నాట్ ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. జెంకిన్స్ సర్వర్ అంటే మల్టిపుల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ రన్ అవుతా ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు పుష్ చేసినాడు? ఏ ఫైల్‌ని డిప్లాయ్ చేయాలి? వి డోంట్ నో, రైట్? ఏ టైమ్‌లో వాళ్ళు పుష్ చేశారు? దెర్ ఈస్ బిగ్ హెడేక్. సో ఫర్ దిస్ నీడ్ there is a Jenkins, there is a one option, deploy to container, one plugin. Which plugin?
deploy to content.
Deploy to container. This is one plugin. First, we need to install the plugin. You know, right? What is the advantage of Jenkins? Jenkins provide many plugins. Jenkins will provide many plugins. With the help of those plugins, we can integrate any software, any tool. Clear?
Yes,
Now, I want to deploy this my war file to Tomcat server. Now, as of now, I did manual processor. Manual processor. Now, how to do automation? We'll see. Now, before that, so now for Tomcat server install అయింది. Where is this path? My local. If you go to Windows Mission, this is the path. Only path will change. Remaining concept is same only. If you go to C drive, program files, we can see one Apache Software Foundation. This is the Tomcat server. Apache Software Foundation. Click on this. Click on 9. Now see here. This is the installation path. This is the installation path. Now I deployed one application to Tomcat server. నాకు అది ఎక్కడుంది? నాకు ఈ పాత్రలు నేను చూడాలి. So this is the Tomcat installation path. Got it? We can see bin, we can see configuration, we can see lib, logs, temp, web apps, workspace. There is level of few files. Clear?
yes, sir.
Now, doubt. మాన్యువల్గా మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. Where is that path? So if we deployed any application, all applications under web apps, web applications. Got it, right?
Okay, sir.
Click on this. Now see here, we can see all applications. See documents. This is provided by Tomcat server. This is the manager provided by Tomcat server. And I deployed one war file. What is this war file? This is right.
Yes, sir.
I deployed war file. Now it is converted into folder. Who will do this one?
Tomcat.
Tomcat only. It will taking care. You don't worry. See, this is the war file. War file is nothing but that is package file, right?
Yes, sir.
Now it is extracted to original project. See here. This and all no need to worry. This and all no need to worry. See here. This is the dot class files. And this is the library files. And see here. This is the web apps. There is some configuration. This and all no need to worry. Just check it. Whether application is deployed. See, I deployed 727. Now it is converted into, see here, original folder, extracted. We are, right? If you click extract means how it will work.
Yes, sir.
మనకు జిప్ ఫైల్ ఉంది. జిప్ ఫైల్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి ఏమొస్తుంది మళ్ళీ ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్స్ వస్తాయి. కరెక్ట్?
Yes, sir.
So actual files it will generated. Same way, this is a package file. This is a var. Var is nothing but entire project we are make it as one single file. That is var file. So once you deploy it into Tomcat server automatically it will convert into original folder. Tables name. Original folder. This is the actual folder. Suppose if you want to, we can delete here also. This is the hard deletion. For example, I don't want this application, but real time మళ్ళీ delete చేయము. Suppose if you don't want, now my Tomcat server, my application is running. Clear? See, my application is running.
Yes.
Sir, I don't want. So in UI want, if in your page level, if you want to undeploy it, there is one option. See here, undeploy. Undeploy అంటే మీకు Tomcat server ఏం చేస్తుంది? Remove చేస్తుంది. See here, I am
Yes.
undeploying it. Now can you see that application here?
No, sir.
No. But if you go to original path, var file and all, we can see here. Where is that? Var file, web apps. Go to here, web apps. Now see here, my application also, what it is happening. Deleted or not?
Yes, sir.
Automatically it is deleted. I undeployed, right? Undeployed means I don't want this project. I don't want this application in my Tomcat server. So we can undeploy it. Whenever if you need, again go to here. So go to click on choose file, select your var file, just deploy. Now see here, once you deployed, deployment is done, it is running. See, you can see application. Now go to here, automatically it is, you can see one more file and we can see that extraction also. Clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose some cases there is some issue in my application, it is not running properly. So there is, if any changes happening, that case we can use reload also. This is undeploy means it is the undeploying from the Tomcat server. So reload means you modified something. If you want to reload, we can click reload also. So now application will work. Reload. Same. Reload
Yes.
means again application will refresh, like refresh. Got it?
Yes.
It will reload it. Now one more thing. Stop. See here, already it is start. See here, session 0 and running status true. Now I am going to stop this. I don't want right now this application. I am going to stop this application. Click on stop. Now stop means application available in my Tomcat server, but it doesn't run the application. ఇప్పుడు నీ అప్లికేషన్ క్లిక్ చేశాను అనుకో, సి స్టేటస్ 404. What is status 404 means? Application is not running.
Very.
So this is also very very important. Status codes మనకు కొన్ని డిఫాల్ట్ స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 200 అంటే సక్సెస్ కోడ్ అమ్మా. 200 అంటే సక్సెస్ కోడ్. సక్సెస్ అంటే అప్లికేషన్ is running
Success.
perfect. Okay, success. Now we are getting 404. Now what you understand?
Yes, sir. It is
Application
not running.
application not running. ఇంటర్లో కూడా ఆడతాడు 1 or 2 guys. So a success codes 4, 200, 404, 400, 500. There is some default status codes available. We'll see one by one. Now you got it right. 2.
Yes, sir.
200 means this is a success. If application is not running, which code we are getting? 404. What is see here? HTTP status 404 not found. See, the request resource Maven application is not available. Available means it is not running. Application undi dantlo, but it is not running. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Not running. See, the original server did not find the current respective. Now I am going to start it. See here, how to start it. Go to here, home page. Where is this? This one, right? Go back. Now see here, running state, false. Now I'm clicking on the start button. Now status. See here, running state true.
Yes.
Now if we click on it, now we can access our page. Now this is the which status code
200.
200. మనం చూడాలంటే ఇక్కడ చూసుకోవచ్చు. F12 మీ కీబోర్డ్లో F12 ప్రెస్ చేశారనుకో షిఫ్ట్ పట్టుకొని F12. సో నౌ హియర్ కన్సోల్ నెట్వర్క్ where is it element there is view ఈ స్టేటస్ కోర్స్ అంతా మనకి డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. కన్సోల్ రిఫ్రెష్ ఇట్. Properties, no layout, computer, style. Here only we can network. Now, here see status.
Yes, sir.
200 means success.
Success.
Now, I am going to stop here again. I am going to stop. Now, delete all. Stop, right? Stop, right?
Yes.
I am clicking here. Now, see here status code.
Yes.
Same thing. We can see here also. So there is many thing available. So that case we can check it here. See here, have application status code not found. 404 means application is not running. So F12 press చేస్తే we can check it. Now
Yes.
go back, start. Okay, but real time lo this is only for understanding purpose. Now we know how to deploy, how to undeploy, how to stop, how to start our application. But how to do automation? నాకు వన్స్ బిల్డ్ ఇస్ సక్సీడెడ్, నాకు బిల్డ్ సక్సెస్ అయిందనుకో ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఐ వాంట్ టు కాపీ దిస్ వార్ ఫైల్, ఐ వాంట్ టు డిప్లాయ్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ సర్వర్. హౌ టు డూ ఇట్? గట్ ఇట్?
Yes.
దిస్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్. సో నౌ హౌ టు డూ ఇట్? ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ. సేమ్ ఓన్లీ go to Tomcat server, sorry, Jenkins server. First, which plugin we need to install? Deploy to
Apply to
container. First check it. If not installed, we need to install it. Go to manage Jenkins. How to install plugin? Go to
Go
plugin
to
section.
plugin.
Here, first installed
Plugin.
plugin. Check it whether it is installed or not. Deploy to container plugin. See here, deploy to container plugin. This plugin allow you to deploy a var2 container after successful build. నాకు glassfish also. See here, this is also one server, glassfish. If you want to, we can use this one also. But all are the same purpose only. Now, already it is installed.
Yes.
So my mission already it installed. If not installed, go to available plugins. Deploy to, this is the plugin name. Very simple only. Deploy to container. Container plugin. See here, now it is not available. So once it is displaying here, click install. That's it. No need to do anything.
Yes.
Got it, right? That's simple.
Yeah.
Okay. Once that is done, now go to dashboard, go to your project, job, go to configuration section. Now how to configure deploy to container plugin. So as of now, everything I did manual process. I don't want manual process. We want to deploy automatically. First go to Tomcat server. I'm going to undeploy it. Okay. So I don't have any application, correct?
Yes.
Now check it how it will work. Go to here. Now this and all same only. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. Now if you go to build steps, once you install the plugin, now we can see one more option here. Under the build steps, click on here. Sorry, not build section. Where is the section? Deploy to container. Sorry, post build actions. Okay, here. Post build actions. Click on post build actions. So there is an option. What is the option?
Deploy to content.
Here already we can see because already in my mission installed that plugin.
Yes, sir.
వేరే వాళ్ళు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశారు. సో ఇట్ విల్ డిస్ప్లే. బట్ యువర్ కేస్ ఇట్ వోంట్ డిస్ప్లే హియర్. మీరేం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ద deploy to container plugin in your mission. Then only it will visible here. Okay. So
Yeah.
first we need to install the deploy to container plugin. Once that is done, now job, go to job, go to configuration section, go to project configuration section, go to post build actions. Post build actions. Under post build actions, click on here. Now you can see that option. Clear? Now
Yes, sir.
click on this option. Now see here. This is the few more options it will asking. See var er file. If you don't know anything how to configure, see click on help. They will provide clear var deploy related to workspace root. You can also specify the like this. Now copy same thing as it is. ఇలా కాన్ఫిగర్ చేయమంటున్నాడు వాడు. కాపీ అండ్ పేస్ట్ ఇట్. What is star star slash star var means? Star represents any name. Correct?
Yes.
Star means any name. Here we are not giving a specific name. So here star represents, here it is coming Maven web application. This name it will come. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా మన నేమ్. స్టార్ represents any name, right? అంటే డాట్ ముందు స్టార్ ఇచ్చినాను. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ మీనింగ్? ఎనీ నేమ్. Maybe what based on our project that name will generate. Now here it is coming Maven web application. Now what about these two stars? Folder path. Root path, subfolder. Root folder, subfolder. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Where is that path? This is the path, right? See here. This is the path. నాకు ఇక్కడ ఉంది. టార్గెట్ లో ఉంది. Correct?
Yes.
See, this is the DevOps project. This is my job name. This is the target. Under this here my file is available. So that is the star I given. That's it. Wherever it is available, automatically pick it. Now context name. Context name అంటే నీ అప్లికేషన్ టామ్కాట్ సర్వర్లో డిప్లాయ్ చేసిన తర్వాత విచ్ నేమ్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి విజిబుల్. ఏ నేమ్తో మీకు కనిపించాలి. ఎందుకు నేను Maven web application డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తే సేమ్ నేమ్ వచ్చింది కదా.
Yes.
I don't want that name. We can give any name. That is the artifact file name. If you deploy artifact file name, same name should be visible. Okay, if you want to change that name, we can give this context path. See here, the context path that the container should use the publish the var file. Which name? For example, I am giving DevOps. But actual artifact name ఏమి? Maven web application. నాకు టామ్కాట్ సర్వర్లో డిప్లాయ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఏ నేమ్ విజిబుల్ అవ్వాలి అప్లికేషన్? DevOps Maven. We can give any name here. మీరు మీ నేమ్ ఇసుకోవచ్చు, ఏబీసీ ఇసుకోవచ్చు, ఎనీథింగ్ దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్. బట్ ఎనీవే ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ చెక్ ఇట్ DevOps Maven app application. That is done. Next, container. Add container. What is the Tomcat server? Which version you are using? Which version? Installed 9, right?
9.
See here, if you want to, this is the older version. Anyway, these all are deprecated. 9 version. So they didn't add 10, 11 still here. Tomcat people. Only select 9. Now, after adding, next it is asking credentials. Now, already you know how to add credential. One is go to manage Jenkins credential section, or directly we can add here also. Click on here, add. Now, so what kind of credential you want to add? So username, password. What is my Tomcat username? Admin. Password also admin. And I'm giving for identification purpose DevOps Tomcat credential. I give a naming convention for identification. Got it?
Yes.
We can give any name, that is your wish, sir. But I given DevOps Tomcat credentials. Once that is done, add it. Now see here in the drop down, we can see that name. Clear?
Yes.
Select this one. Done. Now, what is the Tomcat URL? What is the Tomcat URL? Copy this URL. Where is this? This one, right?
Yes.
localhost 9090. Copy this, go to here, paste it. Got it? That's
Yes,
it,
sir.
right? Tomcat URL. This is the URL. See the Tomcat base URL to use the deployment. See, they give an example also. Right now I'm using localhost, but real time we are using domain name. That's it. What is this one? Port number. What is this one? Port number. Now
Yes,
here
sir.
my port number is 8080. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? First we need to give add credentials, Tomcat credential. Once that is added, next first we need to
Select
give the
those
var
people.
file, deploy to var container. That's it. Now context path I given. Next, this is the Tomcat credential and this is the Tomcat URL. That's it. No need to do anything. Apply, set. That's it. Now go to Tomcat server. Now do we have any application here? No, right?
No, sir.
Now I'm going to run my build. What is happening? If I click run my build, once my build is succeeded, what Jenkins will server will do? Copy generated artifact file and it is deployed into which server?
Containers.
Container, Tomcat server. Automatically
Yes,
it
sir.
is going to deploy it. Now check it whether it really working or not. Now go to here, build up. Just check it. Running or not? Will started or not? It is running. It
Yes,
is
sir.
running. Now see here, deploy, deploy publisher. Got it?
Yes,
ఇప్పుడు
sir.
ఏం చేసింది ఇది? See here, remote exec, it is deployed it. Now go and check it. Just refresh it. What is the context path I given? DevApps, correct?
Yes, sir.
Hyphen Maven. Click on this. Now application is working or not?
Yes, sir.
This is. But in your case, if you deploy first time directly like this, it will show one error message. అంటే దానికి పర్మిషన్ ఉండదు బై డిఫాల్ట్ గా. While creating Tomcat server, you given admin username password, correct? And bottom
Yes,
we
sir.
can see manage GUI ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది మీకు GUI ఆప్షన్. So that is the reason now we are getting one error. So to avoid that error, we need to give full permission to that user. ఆ యూజర్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? ఫుల్ పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఇవ్వాలంటే వన్స్ టామ్క్యాట్ సర్వర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్స్టాల్డ్, గో టు దట్ పాత్. సి మునక గో టు దిస్ పాత్. మీకు ఒక ఫెయిల్ వస్తుంది. ఎందుకు ఏ ఫెయిల్ వస్తుందంటే యూజర్ ఫుల్ పర్మిషన్ యాడ్ చేయలేదు మీరు. యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ ఓన్లీ వన్ పర్మిషన్. సో గో టు ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్, go to Apache Tomcat, go to Tomcat. There is one folder configuration. CONF means configuration. Click on this configuration. There is one more file Tomcat-users. If you want to add Tomcat users, we can add here. Open this notepad. Now see here, మీ సిస్టంలో ఒకే ఒక లైన్ ఉంటుంది. So now we need to add these roles also. This is came only username admin, password also admin, but in our case only one role, but we need to add more roles. I am using manager, admin, script, js, status, everything added. We need to add this line.
Yeah. Okay.
ఓకే, మీ సిస్టంలో మీకు 100% ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది. జస్ట్ నేను ఇక్కడ ఇన్కాల్ మెసేజ్లో పేస్ట్ చేస్తున్నా, కాపీ చేసుకోండి. ఇంకా సమ్వేర్ పేస్ట్ ఇట్. మీ దీంట్లో పేస్ట్ చేసుకోండి నోట్ ప్యాడ్లో. మీకు ఫెయిల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు దీన్ని
Yeah.
యాడ్ చేయండి. 100% ఫెయిల్ వస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఎందుకంటే సో
Okay.
యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ యూ గివన్ ఓన్లీ వన్ రోల్ మేనేజర్ GUI, but the user unable to deploy our artifact file to Tomcat server. We need to give full permissions. So this is where we need to add. Go to
You.
go to Tomcat server. Where is your Tomcat folder? Local. Huh?
Mm.
See, go to here, click on this. There is one more folder, configuration folder. Click on configuration folder. Under configuration folder, I will explain these things later. What is the purpose and all. There is a Tomcat-users one file.
Tomcat users.
Open this one. Just whatever I given. Go last. See here, Tomcat users ended, right? Tomcat users started
Yes,
here.
sir.
This is a tag. Tag started here and tag ended here. We need to paste here. That's it. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Otherwise, it won't deploy automatically. So that's it. Now check in your mission whether it will work or not. If we have any errors.
Yeah.
This is now if any build succeeded. Now what is happening? If my Jenkins build is success, what Jenkins server will do? Copy this artifact file. Automatically it is deployed into Tomcat server.
Tomcat sir.
So now the testers will they can access with the help of application. So this is the domain name. Right now this is local, right? I am giving local host 9090 and this is our application name. That's it. Now they can happily access our application and they will test it. That's it. Very simple. This is our duty. This is the configuration part. Up to this configuration part. But testing and all they will take care. You don't worry. అవన్నీ వాళ్ళు చూసుకుంటారు. ఇంక అప్లికేషన్ రన్ అవుతుందా లేదా? ఏ పేజెస్ వర్క్ అవుతున్నాయి? దట్ పేజెస్ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్? If we have any errors, they will test it. No one. But as a
Yes,
DevOps
sir.
engineer, what is our duty? We are configuring the automation part. So now, one more time, I'm going to deploy it. See here, I'm clicking build now. Again, see, now build is running. Once build is succeeded, what it will do? Again, it will go into deploy to my Tomcat server. Suppose build fail in what will happen? Is it going to deploy Tomcat server?
No, sir.
No, it won't deploy. Deploy అవుతుంది but we cannot access your application. చూద్దాం బిల్డ్ ఫెయిల్ చేస్తే వాంటెడ్గా మీకు ఆర్టిఫాక్ట్ ఫైల్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది అవదా సీ హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు మాన్యువల్లీ ఫెయిల్ ద బిల్డ్ మీకు అప్లికేషన్ ఇప్పుడు అప్లికేషన్ యాక్సెస్ అవుతా ఉంది నో ఇష్యూ ఆ బిల్డ్ is succeeded no problem now manually I'm going to fail this build how to fail go to build section ఇది విండోస్లో ఉన్నాను కదా నేనేం చేస్తానంటే షెల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను anyway it will fail okay echo అనేది జస్ట్ ప్రింటింగ్ పర్పస్ యూస్ చేస్తాం it won't work here anyway now see here build now like anyway build will fail అవుతుంది 100%. See here fail right ss file fail and sir okay
Yes, sir.
now go to here just refresh it ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఆల్రెడీ సక్సెస్ see here మీకు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ టైం యాక్సెస్ డినైడ్
Yes, sir.
403 meaning access denied 404 application is not running నోట్ చేసుకోండి ఇది కూడా ఒక ఎర్రర్ కోడ్ 403 అంటే
Yes,
యాక్సెస్
sir.
డినైడ్ now go to here refresh it now see here anyway build fail right
Yes, sir.
now I'm going to again make it as build pass now whether it will redeploy or not check it so we no need to do any manual process everything we did automation so once build is succeeded automatically it will trigger that's it apply save ఇప్పుడు నా బిల్ మళ్ళీ బిల్ ట్రిగర్ అవుతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా ట్రిగర్ అయిన తర్వాత నా చెక్ ఇట్ వెదర్ ఇట్ విల్ రీప్లేస్ ఆర్ నాట్ మై అప్లికేషన్ వర్కింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్ okay now go to here just refresh it go back refresh it go back Got it. It will take time. Again, it is redeployed, right? See here, redeployment done.
Yes.
Hmm? So undo deployment, current deployment is done. Just wait 1 or 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. Automatically it will up. Here still it is false state. It is not updated. We need to true state only. Otherwise, see now true, right?
Yes, sir.
Now your application is working. Still not updated. It will take time. That's it. Now anyway it is running. Running status earlier false. Now we can see true. Now if we click on it will work. This is the happening. So now no need to do any deployment manually. Even build number of times they push it, number of times they push it changes. Every build it will update the new war file. That war file it is going to deploy into my Tomcat server. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the happening. Just try it. If not working, 90% will work. Only we need to do one thing. So this already I given this piece of code, right? Copy and paste
Yes,
into
sir.
the Tomcat that file. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.